Is this Bay?
Yes.
Alright, so here's the deal.
Who's it?
You're not gonna like to hear this, so just hear me out for a second. So your vehicle that you had was under contract, correct?
Is this Mitch?
No, this isn't Mitch. This is Officer Hiding with the Riverside Police Department.
All right.
I know where your car is. It's not missing.
So then you're in conspiracy with it. So you're assisting and abetting in the conspiracy to have my car theft.
I can help you with today.
So you just admitted that you know where my car is, right? And you don't want to. You don't want to let me.
Dealership. I've told you that.
Is there a legal repossession order?
You need to call the dealership to get that information. If they don't have a lawful reason to repo your car,
Ignorance of the law is no excuse. You're presumed to know the law. No repossession order. I have a letter here from Westlake Financial Services that was issued.
Who doesn't own that car, by the way?
That was issued.
The car.
Do you want me to speak, or do you want to? Okay, here. How about you tell me what's going to happen, since you're going to dictate? I can bark it over to you over stand and see where this is going. Please let me know what's going on.
Nothing. That's what's going on. It's a civil problem that you need to work out with the dealership. They're in possession of your car right now. You defaulted on the loan through the finance company, and the dealership purchased the car back from the finance company, and so they're the lien holder of the car, and they repossessed it.
Oh, understood. So, just question: was there a legal repossession order?
That's something you'd have to work out with them.
No, I'm just asking. I'm asking you.
Defaulted on the loan.
No. It's a simple question. I'm listening to everything.
I don't know. To answer your question, I don't know.
Well, I called and spoke with the dispatch earlier, and they ran my VIN number, and they said that there wasn't a repossession order. And I'm asking right now because I'm dealing with a legal matter, and I'm asking you, being that you're the supervisor and you're sharing with me this information, wouldn't you want to see if there's a legal repossession order before you guys make a determination on the standings that you're sharing with me right now?
Yeah, they're the lien holder of the car.
No, my question is there
in possession of the car because you defaulted on the loan.
You just repeating the same thing. My question is there a legal...
I'll continue to repeat the same thing.
But I'm only asking if there's a legal...
You need to work out with the dealership, not the police department.
Is it
true? Not a stolen car.
I'm only asking if there is a legal repossession order. It's very simple to comprehend English. It's just plain English. Is there a repossession order?
No, I haven't.
So there's no repossession order?
I didn't say that. You're putting words in my mouth.
I'm asking you. You won't answer a simple question. To be able to move forward, are you honorable? Did you take an oath to uphold the Constitution of the United States?
What is your question?
Did you take an oath to uphold the United States Constitution?
No, we're not doing this. What is your question?
Are you an honorable officer who took an oath to uphold the law?
What is your question?
Sargent.
I'm not playing games with the phone.
I'm not also. I have a serious matter, and I asked the question several times, and you don't seem to want to answer, so I was asking another question.
Hey, what is your question?
I've phrased the question several times, and it's not fair that you're playing this game.
So are we done? I can go ahead and hang up and go on about my business?
No, I'm asking for information.
Ask your question then. You're wasting my time.
Can I give you the VIN number? Can you run my VIN number and see if there's a legal repossession, so that way I can have it from the police? I want to print it out. I want to have it sent to me. What's
the VIN number?
The VIN number is 5NM 5N Okay, I'm just going to start over. It's 5. N is in Nancy. M is in man. S is in Sam.
I have that.
I'm sorry?
I have it in front of me. That's on a 1919 Hyundai.
Yes.
8 Robert King Young 128 is the plate. Correct?
It had paper plates, so I'm not sure with that.
That's the plate that's supposed to be on it then.
So, do you have a legal repossession in front of you, dated?
No, I wouldn't have that. I wouldn't have that. This is from the DMV.
All right. Well, I'm just asking a question because I've had a situation before. I'm familiar with this situation, and I've called. Can I please just finish
speaking? Did you call the dealership? Did you call the dealership?
You asked me to ask a question, and now you're just asking more questions. You're not really. You're not being honest with your communication.
Did you call the dealership by chance?
My question, do you want to answer my question, or do you want to ask more questions?
Honestly, I don't. Did you call the dealership?
Sergeant?
Did you call the dealership?
Sergeant, is there, I'm calling the Riverside Police, and the Riverside Police has called me back.
So you're wasting everybody's time. You're wasting your own time. You should call the dealership.
Is there a legal repossession is all I've asked you, and you don't seem to want to answer.
Call the dealership and ask them. If they fail to provide you with the paperwork that you're requesting, then call us back. How about that?
Can you just let me know if there's a repossession order? Because I've called Westlake.
No. Call the dealership. They are the lien holders of the car.
Listen, I'm calling the police because my car's missing.
As of right now, you don't have a car.
Sergeant, I want to tell you my car is missing.
Right, I understand.
And there's no legal repossession order.
I know where your car is. It's not missing.
So then you're in conspiracy with it. So you're assisting and abetting in the conspiracy to have my car theft.
I can help you with today.
So you just admitted that you know where my car is, right? And you don't want to. You don't want to let me.
I've told you that.
Is there a legal repossession order?
You need to call the dealership to get that information.
Whoops. No. You know if there's a repossession order because I've called Westlake.
No. Call the dealership. They are the lien holders of the car.
Listen, I'm calling the police because my car's missing.
As of right now, you don't have a car.
Sergeant, I want to tell you my car is missing.
Right, I understand.
And there's no legal repossession order.
I know where your car is. It's not missing.
So then you're in conspiracy with it. So you're assisting and abetting in the conspiracy to have my car theft.
I can help you with today.
So you just admitted that you know where my car is, right? And you don't want to. You don't want to let me.
Dealership. I've told you that.
Is there a legal repossession order?
You need to call the dealership to get that information. If they don't have a lawful reason to repo your car,
ignorance of the law is no excuse. You're presumed to know the law.
Abdor, Kul, Shayuat, Biwa Samus, Patimta, Rawat. Greetings. I am Nadie Taa, copyright trademark, authorized representative of ASIM NAJEE-ASMAR copyright trademark. I wanted to share this video pertaining to grand larceny, grand theft auto. Sergeant Shafer of the Riverside Police Department conspired with Riverside Premier Auto and removed a Hyundai 2019 from the driveway of Indigenous land, private property, not within the jurisdiction or the venue of the United States. And also the vehicle in the matrix, right, the conveyance was paid in full. So there was a lender and the contract was honored. The lender is already spoken and made it clear that the contract was honored. The conveyance was paid off in 4 months. The conveyance, the vehicle, the Hyundai is registered to my debtor, and it has been insured since the day it was driven off of the lot. So this is just for those to have knowledge, U.C.C. 1-202, of what is about to transpire moving forward. The vehicle was stolen. I am going to report it stolen to my insurance, to the insurance company, to the debtor's insurance company. I am going to report it stolen, and then they can do the investigation on the police, which have stolen the vehicle, being that I already called the police and they're not going to investigate themselves. So as the years have gone by, vehicle conveyance, it is registered again to ASIM, NAJEE-ASMAR, Bay copyright trademark, and it has been paid off in full after 4 months. And it is also insured. Abud Gador,